Hi there. Doing good? Okay, let's start. Paper jam number 1. Let's remove the blocks. It has 4 blocks that holds the tray. Second feeding unit assembly detachment. We will replace this sponge roller, cause it's dead. Here, when replacing paper feed rollers, we will open and remove the right side doors. This is only reference in case you need to replace your paper feed rollers in feeding 1st, 3rd, and 4th. Another kind of paper jam. Paper jam number 2. In this case, we will only clean the sensors under the duplexing feeder assembly. Let's make a final check. Yeah, that's technique. Thank you, and have a nice day.